நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
All are validating each other. So I am saying the only Pati is Pashupati, there are no other Patis. Clean. Temporarily everything will help. So the first is death and diseases are not affected. Second is what you get it in the short term is exactly opposite to the long term. Short term I have a headache, it's gone. Long term, tak 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 kaku ki. And you are not even connecting. What did you do? You suppress the voice of your body. So for that you need to understand all signals are fire alarm. And you are shutting the fire alarm. And you don't even know where the fire is. The fire is the way you think and the way you eat. Straight. No measurement, that is why. That's why I'm able to do. So what? You have cancer, that's your interpretation. You are a human being and you are breathing. Quality of life is what I am going to do, and in 3 weeks they know. How? I am sleeping well. My pain is tolerable. My motions are right. Constipation is the only one I say, please deal with it. Alcoholism is the second thing that you need. Rest of it, where is it as it is, you can. It's a back pressure. Cancer is directly responsible because what is this constipation? The material which has to be given, because here also you don't give, you hold. So the body is picking up, and all the substandard cells are bought because they are not built by fresh material. So fundamentally we need to understand, can the body kill me? Can the body kill me? Can the body give me disease? So I am saying it's not giving disease, that is your interpretation. It is very discomfortable for the body to hold the negative energy you are giving constantly through ahar, vihar, vichar. That means acid. In chemistry, in the grabbable science, I will say acid. And the nature of a physical structure is the body has to be alkaline all the time. That is the function of the body, and you don't do anything. You don't do anything. It's the body's constant attempt to make that position of functioning. One of the most important functioning of the body is to keep the pH at 7.365. And you are constantly eating food which is pushing it to become acid all the time. Your thoughts are negative, acid. Your environment is acid, everything. So that's a cause. In this, what are you doing a favor to anybody? What are we doing to each other? Building institutions and validating. If you go through each of their pronouncement, is the basis right, the action is different. And the society is not putting emphasis on ethics. Relationship, forget about it. Today we justify old age has to be lonely, so we built up homes. Wow! You don't even know how much your grandchildren need that. I am supposed to be an old age woman. I need to have the support of the Dignity Foundation. Wow. And who are the people who are pushing? People who are in power. Immunization. So let me come back to it. 4 things. I started the center only to educate people on 4. Immunization, irradiation, iodization, and the whole question of immunity. Who develops immunity to whom? You are developing immunity means you are resisting the natural way of functioning within the body. How many mothers, parents that you are tolerating? We slog for our children, we give so much of love. And the advertisement is saying, if you are not going to give iodized salt, your child is going to be dumb. What is thyroid? What is iodized salt? And in a country where liberation we got it through salt satyagraha, look at this. And you know the politics, I spent 20 years only to know about the politics of food.